Hi everyone, my name is Tiana and I'm a legal studies student here at Stevenson University. Welcome to the Francis X. Pugh Courtroom. If you're a legal studies student, this is where all the action takes place. You'll likely have classes in here, and if you're on our excellent mock trial team, you'll be practicing weekly in this very room. We're so fortunate to have this state-of-the-art room that looks like and acts just like a real courtroom, and it prepares us for the real world. Right here, we have the judge's bench, where the judge sits during trial, and over here we have the witness stand, where the witness will sit and an attorney will stand right here, either direct examining or cross-examining the witness. So in front of the witness stand, we have the plaintiff sitting if it's a civil trial, but if it's a criminal trial, we'll always have the prosecution. And right over here is the defense. Right here, we have the jury box where the jurors sit. We also have these monitors that project evidence. The evidence is also projected on those two screens right there, which is behind the judge's bench. Right here is my favorite part of the courtroom. These are the awards we've won competing against teams such as Yale, Brown, and American University. And we win. To the right of the courtroom is our jury room. This is where the jurors come to deliberate. And this is the judges' chambers. As you can see, the judges keep it really neat. We hope you've enjoyed this tour of the courtroom. Court is adjourned.